Okay, since you said that it's very unclear in the last video, maybe this, in the photograph I sent you, maybe this will make it a little more clear. You see this little piece right here? This little piece is a broken off piece that comes in the wrapping. I'm going to set this little piece up here to the right. Okay, and then I'm going to unfold the rest of it like I did when I got it. And in folding this device, you will see that this is what happens here. When you unfold it, this is the device that I got it. You see this corner right here? That corner, is it very clear now? You see that corner is damaged shipping. And that little piece and another piece like that is missing, that's not even in it. So this leads me to believe that this device was shipped damaged. You see that piece there? Is it very clear now? This is damaged. And what you can't see is there's a little line through the glass that is broken. And you can't see that line because it's so thin it's unclear. But I hope this video makes it very clear and it shows you very clearly, because you said it's unclear. This is how it came, this is how it was shipped, and this is the damage that I'm showing you of how it was shipped. It is not in one piece, and even though you can't see it, there's a little crack in a line going right through here. It's a very small line. But more importantly, this crack up here is a very damaged piece that I'm upset about. So, and here's the other little piece right here. You see it fell off? See that little piece right there? These are the two pieces that go in this corner up here where the equipment is damaged. So you tell me what you want me to do with this damaged equipment that I purchased from your company. And your policy says within 7 days you provide a refund, and I gave you this information immediately, so I'm going to wrap it back up, and I'm going to wait to hear from you. All right? I hope this is very clear now. Thank you.